guys, what's up? It's BTG Tech here, back with another video, and today I will be explaining the three main types of RAM, what RAM does for your PC, and the difference between laptop and desktop RAM. Well, firstly, RAM means random access memory, which is how your laptop pulls out all its data. The CPU comes over to the RAM and asks, hey, can you get, say, the photo that this guy took yesterday of his dog? RAM was like, okay, let me just check my memory. And then the RAM checks its memory for where it stored that cat photo in a random order, right? Then once the RAM figures out where it was, the RAM then sends a message to the hard drive. Hard drive sends another message back to the RAM. Then the RAM sends it back to the CPU. Think of it like this. Your boss asks you to get, like, your secret file from a filing cabinet. And basically you are RAM, aka the filer, and the hard drive is kind of like the filing cabinet itself. And CPU is the boss because it runs everything, right? Okay, well, now that we got that out of the way, what is the difference between laptop and desktop RAM? And can you use laptop RAM in a desktop and vice versa? Well, laptop RAM is a modified desktop RAM called SODIMM, aka Small Outline Dual Inline Memory Module, which basically means that it's smaller desktop RAM, which also answers our question of if both RAM modules can be interchanged, which is no. Laptop RAM might be able to with a special 3D printed adapter because it's physically smaller, but desktop RAM cannot, as it's physically bigger than laptop RAM and cannot be shrunken down without some serious modifications. So desktop RAM, aka DIMM, stands for Dual Inline Memory Modules, and it's just bigger, more powerful laptop RAM, meant to be compatible with the much larger and more powerful desktop components. Whoa, but wait. What's the difference between DDR3 and DDR4 and DDR5 type RAM? Well, the names just stand for the generation of RAM. DDR3 is 3rd gen, DDR4 being 4th gen, and DDR5 being 5th gen DDR RAM memory respectively. Okay, so in conclusion, RAM is random access memory that helps your desktop or laptop CPUs access stored memory in the hard drives, SSD, or floppy disk that the PC uses to store all its data. Thanks for watching this episode of PC Components, and before you leave, please smash that subscribe button and hit that like button. And goodbye for now, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.